Hello friends, my name is Dr. Mahesh Wadhwani. I am a cardiothoracic and vascular surgeon and head of the department for CTVS at Paras Hospital in Gurgaon. I am also founder of a site called as cardiacsecondopinion.com, where we deal with the medical opinions for the patients who are not so sure about their management or who have been guided by somebody but still want to have further scientific inquiry into it. So whether you need a bypass or a stent, a valve replacement or a valve repair or a conservative management, all those opinions we give through our site called as cardiacsecondopinion.com. The core innovators of the cardiacsecondopinion.com during this COVID crisis felt that we also need to contribute something and we should do something about the current crisis. So we all put our heads together and we have come up with something which can really help the medical professionals. So as you see, I am wearing a PPE kit right now. Typically when you wear a PPE kit like this, there are a lot of spaces left aside, and even though you are wearing a PPE kit, you are not truly fully protected. During procedures where viral load is likely to be high, during intubations, in the ICUs, you still feel a bit vulnerable because of these porosities in your suit. And I feel the perfectionist like I am and our team is, we should have better solution to this. So we put our heads together, and I am also alumnus of Shri Chitra Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology at Thiruvananthapuram. And Chitrites, we take pride in innovation. So our institute has brought on many products in the market already, and I feel this also product which is designed by me and my team here is dedicated to Shri Chitra Institute in Trivandrum and the alumnus of that. Why I am making so much of introduction on this product is because this product is actually very similar to what companies like 3M and Honeywell manufactures. These products, which are a full face mask with a filter attached for viral filtration, or N95 or N99 filter attached, are retailing in the market in the range of 13 to 14,000. And with that comes a cartridge cost also. Each cartridge 500 rupees each, so 1000 rupees cartridges at a single time. So cost of such PPE suits with a proper full face mask is very expensive, and in India, in a country like us, we really cannot provide it to many. Moreover, nowadays it's not even available. Even if you try to get it, my team tried to purchase it from 3M authorized dealers, but the cost quoted was pretty high, and it's not easily available in the market also. So we came up with our own innovation. So instead of wearing a screen like this or a mask like this, all you can do is wear a repurposed snorkeling mask like this. So our team here has repurposed a snorkeling mask which has a wonderful face shield here, and we have put in a filter which is a 3M filter. A 3M FFP2 N99 mask has been cut and sorted into that position, so that you have a perfectly fitting mask which is equivalent to nearly a medical grade, though I won't call it truly medical grade because we have not tested it, but I think it should work. With my experience, I feel this is as good as a good N99 mask. I'll just demonstrate to you how we wear it. For whom this mask is designed, I'd like to give an introduction on that front. For all the anesthetists, intensivists, surgeons who don't wear a loop or their loop is very thin and small, and for any other medical professional who is going to come in very close contact with the COVID patients, along with the PPE, this is excellent. Even without PPE, if you wear this mask, definitely this gives you better protection in general in the OT or any other areas, for any routine intubations or for any routine surgical procedures. For a general surgeon or a neurosurgeon and all the surgeons, it's good. For a surgical team who are assisting the procedure, again, this is an excellent thing because for 2 to 3 hours you can easily, comfortably wear it. This full face mask is not recommended for the professionals like me who are cardiac surgeons and use very long prismatic tunnel loops which will not fit into this. So for surgeons who do bypass, unfortunately this is not good and we'll have to use a full PAPR. For people who see the patients in OPD, for OPD use it is not a great thing because it muffles your voice seems distant, and you cannot have a good communication with the patient. So unless your patient is a COVID positive and you want to be fully protected, I don't recommend this for OPD practice. I don't recommend it for other hospital staff which is not going to come in very close contact with the COVID patients like reception and all other areas. Also, it is not recommended to wear for a full 8 hours duration. It may not be so comfortable. For that, probably a PAPR is a better device to have. But for 2-3 hours procedure, 4 hours procedure, I've worn it and I can vouch for it. It's a great product to have. And because the only airflow is through this one particular area, and this is a certified 3M N99 layer, I can bet on it that this is as good as a good quality, high quality, commercially available mask. So here is a demonstration for you.
It's so easily. Now, as you can see, my voice is muffled. And if you use it like this, so a snorkeling mask is designed to have a very clear vision, full face mask, and that can be repurposed for the medical purposes. So if anybody wants, we have shared the video, you can easily make it yourself.
All you need to do is just put in a slot for the filter here, and if you are not able to put it, the team at cardiacsecondopinion.com at no profit basis have come up for the commercial production of this also, and we'll be supplying it to the people who request us on the phone number. I'll give you a phone number 8800006735. So at this number you can call for the inquiries and we can provide this sort of a thing. What we do effectively is actually 3M mask, we cut it in the slots, and 4 such slots will be supplied with each of the kit which is provided to you. This particular slot is a consumable part. This can be changed daily on the wear. So you remove this, throw the mask material away, and you put in new. You can clean it by normal surface cleaning agents like hypochlorite or even spirit or whatever material you use. It is all silicone and plastic material. You can easily clean it and sterilize it. If anybody is interested, they can call on this particular number. And I dedicate this product to the alumnus of Shri Chitra Institute, and I hope more and more medical people get benefited from this. You can easily make it, trust me. If I can make it, anybody can make it. So make more and more of these, use them, and I hope this becomes a good tool in the armor for us people in India and worldwide for the medical professionals. This is one of the steps that I want to promote, to live with COVID. This is a COVID era. We have to live with COVID. We have to work with COVID. So this is part of the series of videos that I'm creating as Live with COVID. Let's hope this helps us live better and saves many lives. All the best.